Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make Esquites with canned corn. First, drain 3 15-ounce cans of corn very well. It's important to pat the corn dry with paper towels. This simple step helps remove excess moisture, allowing the corn to get a beautiful sear when cooked. A good sear means more flavor for your delicious Esquites, so don't skip this part. Next, heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your dried corn to the hot pan. Cook the corn for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. You're looking for those lovely charred bits, which add a smoky depth to the dish. This searing process is key to developing that authentic Esquites flavor. Now, let's prepare the creamy sauce that makes Esquites so irresistible. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice for a bright, zesty kick. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder to give it that classic, mild spice. Mix everything until it's smooth and well combined. Once your corn is perfectly seared, add it to the creamy mixture you just prepared. Gently fold everything together until the corn is evenly coated. Stir in 1/4 cup of crumbled cottage cheese for a salty, tangy finish. Serve your Esquites warm, garnished with fresh cilantro and an extra squeeze of lime juice. Enjoy this quick and easy treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.